What's up, everybody? I'm starting off my day with an order and pay with GrubHub for the restaurant called Casa Mia. It's an Italian restaurant. It was just one item, a chicken parm dinner with a salad. I called about, I don't know, 10 minutes ago or so, and it's supposed to be ready in like 10 more minutes. So I'm about to start my day and drive over there. I didn't get any quick orders while I was waiting, but it's not a big deal because it was only like a 30-minute wait. And I was at home hanging out anyways. Hopefully it's a busy Friday night, but we'll see what's in store. That first order with Casa Mia went really well. Drop off or pickup went really easy. They didn't question like the GrubHub card or anything like that, so that was super smooth. And then the drop off was pretty easy. I did get stuck behind a train on my way there, so that took a few minutes. But the customer didn't seem to mind at all. And she also gave me a $5 cash tip on top of the $2 she already tipped in the app. So it ended up being a pretty good order, but it seems a little slow right now. It's only 5:07 p.m., so it could be due to that. People are still getting home from work and haven't really started ordering dinner yet. Hopefully things will get better as the night goes on. I'm probably not going to stay out too late tonight. I do have a block that ends at 8 p.m. and I do have homework to do, so I'm planning on stopping right around 8, maybe 8:30, and then going home and doing some homework, just because I have an assignment due Sunday night and I'm working some pretty long hours these next couple days delivering. Right now I do have GrubHub, UberEats, and PostMates on, and I'm just waiting for my next order. So things have been a little slow. It's 5:25 and I was waiting for an order. I just got an order for a Red Robin, which I'm literally across the street from, and I actually picked up a DoorDash shift. So I'm gonna have 2 shifts going on. I did pause DoorDash while I go grab this food. I'm hoping that it's close by. Right, I just made that GrubHub delivery. It's 10 of 6, right? And I actually saw that DoorDash had a few shifts available. I know I don't DoorDash a lot, and that a lot of you viewers do like seeing DoorDash videos, so I was like, you know what? I don't like dropping blocks because I'm trying to stay at least a Premier or Pro driver, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. So I dropped my 6 to 8 block with GrubHub. And now I have
turn right on Leslie Road. Then turn.
Now I have some time scheduled with DoorDash, and I actually have a stacked order that I'm about to go pick up. I'm headed to Aki Sushi, and it looks like it's going to be busy. It's starting off hot. That last order was kind of weird. So like I said, it was a stacked order, but it was actually to the same apartment. I guess they were roommates or something, and don't know each other that well. I don't know, but they each had an order for the same place. I thought that was really strange. Has anyone else ever had that type of thing happen to them? Comment down below. I just got to Little Caesars. It's right behind me. There's not much parking, but things are busy with DoorDash, so that's awesome. I'm really excited to be out delivering DoorDash, and I hope I'll be seeing some more blocks or shifts available to me on the DoorDash app because I do miss using it. I just dropped off that Little Caesars, and I don't know if you remember, about a month ago I did do a DoorDash video where it said I'll be getting a pizza bag, but that restaurant didn't have any in stock. The one I went to tonight did. So I'm super excited. I got this awesome DoorDash pizza bag. It's actually a really nice quality. I'm impressed by it. I was able to fit 3 pizzas in the bag, so it's a pretty good size. And it's just nice to have something like this moving forward. Even if I don't get a lot of Little Caesars orders, I'm excited to have a pizza bag because I do a lot of pizza deliveries in general. Like Squad, if you're out here watching, I'm going for 6 thumbs up on this video, so be sure to smash that like button. So I just arrived to CG Public House, which I think is a brewery. I'm not too sure, I've never been here. It is a GrubHub order. I did have to wait a little bit for an order, so I turned on all the apps and got an order with GrubHub pretty quickly. It does say for me to park in the side lot near the patio and come inside to the side door, so I have to find that. But it shouldn't be an issue. It doesn't look too busy, and hopefully the food's ready. The order came in like 15 minutes ago. Once I pick this up, I'm probably going to switch back over to DoorDash, and things are staying busy. I just got back to Red Robin, and I have a DoorDash order this time. I did get a fry cup with my first Red Robin order, and it looked like they were stacking them up with all the orders, which I've never seen at this location, so maybe I will get another fry cup. We'll see. It is 5 of 8, and I just got to Applebee's for what is probably my last order of the night. As I mentioned, I do have homework to do, and I also have to get some stuff at Walmart to make my dog's food. My dog has been going through a rough time. He has been breaking nails these last few months. They thought it was a yeast infection. Treated him with antibiotics, looked to clear up, but his nails were still real brittle. And it sounds like it might be a autoimmune disease, I guess. So he's going to have to get tested and have a biopsy done on his nail. But we looked into it, and it said that like homemade food is better for them, or a limited ingredient food. My wife found a recipe, and we have most of the stuff we need. We just need to grab a couple items. I need some like chicken breast and some brown rice, but all the vegetables and stuff we have at the house. So I'm going to grab that. But I will definitely post my earnings update and do a little compare between DoorDash and GrubHub tonight, since I worked about 2 hours of each. So I just got home. I'm gonna talk about my earnings in a quick DoorDash versus GrubHub. It's not too in depth because I haven't done a lot of DoorDash lately, just because I haven't been able to get any shifts available, which is something that should be considered. But I was happy that I was able to get DoorDash on tonight. That way I could show you guys some of those orders. I did work for about 3.5 hours, and with DoorDash I did, 5 deliveries. Okay, so I did 1 delivery here right at the end, and then 4 deliveries there. As you can tell, they're all pretty low deliveries. Granted, this $2 Aki sushi was at the same house as the $8.75 Aki sushi, so that wasn't an issue. So I made $30.70, and then with GrubHub I made, I believe it was $32. Yeah, $32.68. Plus a $5 cash tip. So, based off the fact that I worked them both for similar amounts of time, I did make more money with GrubHub. I am always able to schedule myself with GrubHub, and I am always able to just swipe available for taking orders. So for me, that means GrubHub is a win, at least right now. Like I said, I'd like to work more DoorDash orders and go into a more in-depth review comparing the two. And then I guess the one negative is that DoorDash or GrubHub, I do usually see a longer delivery distance, but the pay is usually reflected in that delivery distance, so that's balances it out a little bit. With DoorDash, it was pretty busy. The order pay was smaller, but the delivery mileage was a little less, not a lot, and I did get that super nice pizza bag. So that was a big bonus. And then another big negative that I forgot to mention was that I can never schedule myself. It's so difficult for me to get on there. If you saw my videos earlier in January, I was able to get on DoorDash for like a week or 2 in a row, and that's it in probably the last 6 months. It's really rare for me to get on DoorDash. I check it multiple times a day. I'm hoping because I got this shift tonight that I will see more slots available to me. I do think the last time that I saw that week or 2 that I was able to schedule myself, it was because I worked a 45-minute shift or something that popped up. Really hoping that's the case. I'm not too sure though. If you like this video, be sure to let me know by commenting down below or liking that thumbs up button. I will be working a lot this weekend, so expect some more videos on the way. I'll see you next time. Peace!